Mm,
So I'm just sharing some PDFs or
keep
something
hobby.
with you just for now. And
No, no,
after
no.
that, after class, I will share the link like
YouTube.
YouTube link and tutorials point links. So in
Acha, ma'am.
tutorials point, you can easily get to know uh, by using the image. Means a screenshot are there available so that you
Mm,
easily can get what is the actual how the excel works and all of this. So today we will
acha.
know about the word, ms excel, linux, but we don't have
Acha.
linux in our machine, so we'll go for the word.
Hmm.
And I mean the
Okay.
microsoft.
MS Word.
Yes, yes.
Mm,
So I'm just sharing my screen, my laptop screen. One second.
I can't see, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just, yes, now you can see, right?
Yes, ma'am. Mm.
So this is my,
Yes, ma'am. Now I can see.
yeah, this is my laptop, Drishti. Are you there? I think she is there also. So this is basically the OS. And what is OS? Anybody of you know about the OS? Have you
Waze.
ever heard about Linux, Microsoft,
Ah, Linux. Yes, ma'am. Linux सुने छी.
and this is
Hmm?
the Windows, right? OS basically
Yes,
a
sir.
platform like Android platform for our smartphones. Android is also a OS operating system for our mobile phones. There are various type of OS like Apple. They have their own OS operating system, and BlackBerry. They had also their own operating system. So Linux base is basically like operate a system with some uh, programming language like we cannot see this type of visual screen in Linux, and we cannot open a folder by clicking on it. Just we have to write a total program that open the folder. They had their own language to write program, and then only we can achieve the folder, or we can achieve whatever in that folder. So Linux is basically a
Hmm.
programmatical based OS, and and Windows is basically a uh, like icon based and user friendly. We can say that user friendly, like our Android OS. So we'll go for the Excel, MS Excel, Microsoft Excel, because
Yes, ma'am.
in your syllabus there are some Excel programming. So now I am sharing my Excel sheet with you. Wait, new share. And this is my Excel sheet, right? So Excel is basically a spreadsheet, or like somewhere we can add or multiply some numerical numbers, or can go through any kind of operation like mean, mode, and many more, logarithm, and many more. You can see one by one now. So this is basically an MX Excel, and I have Windows 10, so that this is the MX Excel 10, and this is the file section where we can save our Linux sheet, and this is the insert option, where we can use these icons to add something or to insert something in our workbook. So this is basically a workbook where we have sheet 1, 2, 3, 4, n number of sheets are there. So this is total a workbook, and this one sheet is called spreadsheet. So here already we have some data, like I have some module number, question name or question, then a option, some option, 4 option, answer and full mark. So this is a template of question answer Excel sheet. There are so many type of Excel sheet, like we have some mobile numbers for particular name, like your name is Bittu and this is your mobile number, something like this. Then Brishti,
Okay.
and she has also her own mobile number. Then one is Subroto. So he has also his own
ma'am?
mobile number. So this is also
শুনতে পাচ্ছি না আপনার আওয়াজটা ম্যাম। হ্যালো।
Now I am audible. Hello.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. So this
Yes,
is
ma'am.
also a spreadsheet where you can add some data like name, mobile number, age, or date of birth. Any kind of data we can actually store in Excel sheet, and therefore we can use this data for some operations, like sum operation. If we want to sum all these numbers, like we want to know these are the full marks for each questions, and how total number of, what is the total number of marks of these all questions answered. So we can use a sum operation. Sum of, we have to select all the rows whom we want to sum or add, then we have to just press enter, and this is the sum of all rows. There are 1 2 3 4 5, these are all 5, so that we can normally can say this total will be 30, but here we if we have 34, then we have 27, then we have 91, then we have 43, then we have 12. Just look at that, whenever we just change the number here, 91, 34, 43 and others, the total number the total sum also change, because there we had already put the equation or formula. Sum of this h, this is a h number column and number 2 row. So this is the h2 marked by h2, this is h3, so h2 to h7, and we will get what, the sum of all rows, and we don't have to just sum 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus this way we can add all the numbers easily. So this is one operation of Excel sheet, and there are too many operations, and you can go through all, like mean, median, mode, and log, and here's some operation also there, auto sum, so they will automatically sum up all the numbers. There are clear option, you can clear all. With insert button we can insert so many things, like just okay, wait, yeah. We can insert a picture from your desktop or laptop or somewhere from your machine, then yes, Yes, you can insert a picture, insert screenshot, shapes. There are so many shapes. Smart art, online pictures are also available. So Excel sheet is basically a data sheet where you can store various kind of data, because where mobile number are integer data means some numbers, but name are the character data. Same age, date of birth, these are various kind of data. And some money late from B2, suppose $74. So like this, all the data are numerically different in manner. These are the character data, these are the numbers, date of birth also, date is also different type of data. So in Excel sheet, this is called the one second. You have some, yeah, spreadsheet. So I have already told that these are all spreadsheet, like sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, these all are spreadsheet. And all in total, sheet 1 plus sheet 2 plus sheet 3 plus dot 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 to n, this is called the workbook. Then range of cell, these are the range of cell. Whenever we want something like there are 3, 4, 5, 6, and these are some numbers one after another. The gapping between two numbers are same, like 3 after 4 gapping is 1, 4 to 5 gapping is also 1, 5 to 6 gapping is also 1. We can add like 3 to 3, 7 gapping is 4, then 8, 9, 10, 11, then 12, 13, 14, 15. Then if we select all these rows using shift and then just drag it towards down, then we can see it can generate some random number also with the gappings of 4, 15, 19, 23, 27. So this is also a operation of Excel sheet. If we just drag 1, 1, 1, then what will it do? Just a second. Then just drag it to down and you will get all the ones. That's mean there are some quick checkbook or quick operation served by the Excel sheet, and some other like there are the chart menu. You can use these numbers to put into a chart. I'm showing you that, right? Yeah, this is the chart. You can switch your row also, change colors, or select another type of chart. So it will help you whenever you have some ethical data like healthcare data or some survey data, basically. So then you can use this Excel software or Excel sheet generator, Microsoft Excel, and after putting your all data, survey data, you can have a look those data into a chart figure. Like if you want to show that how like in corona there the patient, how many patients are attacked every day, you want to show it through a chart or through a graph. Then you can just have to enter your all data here one after another, and just have to select those data and just have to put those data into chart model. Then you can easily show how the data curve is showing one to another. Just here we want to get another chart using, okay, here you can see this is another type of chart. So these are basically various kind of chart you can create using Excel. Some 3D map you can also open through Excel, pivot chart, and there are many more. So I'm sharing the, now I'm sharing the, okay, this is the tutorials point where you can get how to go to Excel. Okay, how to go to Excel, just you have to go to your OS Windows front page, or this is the desktop page. Then this is the start menu, just corner of left corner, in the left corner this is the start menu. Just you have to click there and just search for Excel, EXCEL, and you will get the Excel easily. So already I have opened one, and there you can have blank workbook. You can get a blank workbook, or you can open your previous workbook from this file section, file. Here you can also save your worksheet and also open your previous worksheet. Like I have a previous worksheet over it. Okay, this is not available. And this is our previous worksheet. Now you can also work on this, and therefore you have to just save it by file, save as, or just click on this save option. So this is the formula bar where you can insert function. Function mean like I want to add uh, just showing this. I want to add this row, this data. Okay, sum equals to sum this data. I don't have this data actually. Okay. Sum of, yeah, okay, sum of this data plus this data. Okay, then it will be 38. Even we can add here any other number, like 45 we want to add, then it will be 83. So these are the formula. Auto sum we already seen. Recently used financial, there are some functions are there, text function are there, like dollar, character, text is like your name is in text field, date and time, date, day wise, month, date, hour wise, month. Basically you have to just go through the Excel sheet and uh, have to find all the, or have to try all these functions which are there available. Therefore you can practically know how they work, but you have to do it own. That's why we need a lab session, but however it is not possible now. So there are some more functions: statically function, engineering function, q function. And so Excel is basically we use for some functioning data, uh, functioning data to function within them. And sometimes we also use filter function to filter the data. We have yes, we have your mobile number here, right? Your mobile number here, but mobile number normally consisting of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 number, 10 digit. But somehow I just missed here 2 digit, so it will show you that this is not a valid mobile number because it not consist of 10 digit. So this is also can happen in Excel. So for now you just go through the tutorials point where you can explore Excel in window. They will give you a workbook in online so that you can practice your own. So I will give you this link through your WhatsApp number. I mean into your WhatsApp group, so you can go through all these. So just look at your syllabus. Okay, this is your syllabus. So concept of Linux, you don't have to because you have only the Microsoft Excel. And so you have to go through only the Microsoft operating system. Then the spreadsheet, workbook versus worksheet, range of cells, type of cell referencing, name box, formula bar, and these all kind of formulas. Then we will go through some mathematical formula like what if analysis, goal seek solver, and after that we will go to the data analysis table. So for now you have to just go through the tutorials file and just go over it, and if you had some problem then you can ask me in your group or via email also, and I will give you some MCQs and you can practice them in your home. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You got it now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So for
Yes,
now
ma'am.
I'm just stopping this meeting here because some net problem is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Mine also.
ma'am. Mine also, ma'am.
Yes.